What's up YouTube? So today I'm going to be playing this cool and satisfying slime. So I have this one, I've had it for a year. It has bees in it and I'll give it for my giveaway. So just show you the slime. Oops. There is the slime. Figured out you guys will like it. Hold on guys, let me fix that camera. There we go. Okay. Sorry guys, that's the camera we need to. So I'll have one right here. So this is it. And please smash that subscribe button and hit that bell right there and give it a big thumbs up. If you like this video or not, it's okay if you don't. At least get some views. So please hit that subscribe button, ring all the notifications and the bell, and give it a thumbs up. So let's get started. So I have this one and I use these as containers for it. And then for like it's one of these Glad containers. You can use them too, y'all like. So I'm just gonna slime up. Why did I put it back in here? If you can tell, there's beads in there. It is butter slime. It does not look like butter slime, but it is. And let's get this to 100 likes. So next time I can give you all the slime like that now. So if you stand there, I will probably know this slime back to you. So please find out. And then there's this slime. That's what? A new big bubble. Oh shoot guys, do it all over again. Now, play it in slow motion. This is my slime that will become the big bubble. So how do you like my slow motion voice. Okay, bubble time. It almost got stuck on my head. Yeah, so if y'all want, I can give you like, I can put all these beats in there for just like, no, all single fine. Or I'll just leave it in like that. Y'all couldn't see that. Okay. And go check out Lucas and Marcus's and Joby Brothers. They are really awesome. I love their YouTube channel, which I have my own. So y'all can go check out their videos. Bye.